Hello, and welcome to FJ Hypnotherapy. Please note that this recording should not be listened to whilst driving or operating any form of machinery. Please find a quiet and peaceful place where you will not be disturbed for the duration of this session. Just make yourself nice and comfortable into a position where you are comfortable, feel safe and secure, and you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, really fill your lungs and slowly exhale. Take another deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and exhale nice and slowly through your mouth, letting go of any of those negative thoughts and feelings as you do. And now take a third deep breath in for the count of 5. Hold it for the count of 6. And exhale nice and slowly for the count of 8, letting go of any of that remaining negative thoughts and feelings. And now carry on breathing at your own pace. Allow yourself to relax and let go. Give yourself permission to give this time to yourself. Nothing else matters right now. Nobody wants anything. Nobody needs anything. This is just your time to relax and let go. With each breath, you relax even more and more. Breathing in, breathing out, and allowing each breath you take to take you deeper and deeper. And with each breath you take, you start to notice how much more relaxed the body begins to feel. As the body sinks into this blissful state of relaxation, so too does the mind, allowing us to access deep within the subconscious mind. The more you focus on the sound of my voice, the less distracted the mind becomes. If there are any thoughts that decide to enter your awareness, they will just melt away like an ice cube on a hot summer's day. They will not distract you or bother you in any way. As your mind drifts and dreams, you may hear sounds from the room, your environment, outside. But these need not disturb or distract you, as these just remind you that the world is still safely turning. Just take another deep breath and let every muscle in your body just let go as you breathe out. I'd like to imagine that you can see yourself relaxing in that chair, or even maybe just pretend that you can see yourself. You're breathing already so easy and steady, and becoming steadier still, even as you think about it, as though you were sound asleep. pretending so well that you're sound asleep that you would convince anybody who could see you that you were pleasantly sleeping. And while you pretend to be absolutely sound asleep, you can imagine that you have a dream. A dream where you are more relaxed than you have ever been at any time in your entire life. More relaxed than you have ever thought it possible to be. A dream where you're just like a rag doll, laying lazily on a beach somewhere, your head comfortably shaded by the soft shadows from the palm trees. The palm trees are moving just ever so slightly in the gentlest of breezes, with your body beautifully warmed by the rays of the sun. You are just drifting deeper and deeper. Every part of your body feels heavy and comfortable, so easy, so very easy that you just feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the chair, immersing into the comfort of the chair. You find yourself standing in front of a long corridor, and you can hear the ticking of an old grandfather clock, an old antique grandfather clock. And you can hear it ticking, marking the gentle pass of time. This ticking of the clock that you are now so aware of is going to relax the rhythm of your brain. And as the rhythm of your brain slows down comfortably, you stop and look at the hands on the face. You suddenly understand that the sound of the tick is just the sound of a moment passing, and that the space in between the ticks is where we truly exist. The space in between the ticks is the very moment in which all is real. And you can choose to place your mind in that space now as you watch the hands slowly moving around the face, realizing that they have been round so many times, every second of every minute, of every hour, of every day, for weeks, months, years, decades, and centuries. These hands can only tell you of the very moment in which you truly exist. Now. Because the past is gone, and gone with it is any opportunity to change what has happened. And yet, you understand that the wonderful truth is that we don't have to change the past. You have coped with and survived everything from your past. And the future? The future is just a dream that you can colour with bright, clear possibilities. You can choose to imagine your future just as you would wish it to be. You can fill it with joy and happiness and all the success that you truly deserve. But it all begins in this very moment where all is real, in between the ticks of the clock. I want to remind you, your life can be fun. Life is just like setting out on a journey. The destination is your choice, yours and yours alone. Knowing that you can and you will complete your journey easily and without effort. You have all the ability and the capability to do what you want, to make new and good things happen. Every phase of your life can be a joy, and of course, it all depends on you, because you and only you can allow thoughts to live in your mind, and how you think determines how you feel, and how you feel influences the world around you. And you can learn to choose your thoughts with awareness of their power. You can see beneficial thoughts in your mind, and day by day you'll find more and more how important it is to choose your every thought with care. Because the thoughts you seed in your mind, the concepts and beliefs you accept with feeling, inevitably become your own living reality. How you choose to think today influences all your tomorrows, and your life is too valuable, too miraculous, too precious to be left to chance. For this planet is a game player's planet, and the big game in life is a kind of treasure hunt, with the real you as the hidden treasure, and the real you is a treasure worth finding. For you, there should be no greater treasure on earth, and it's an easy game, because life is meant to be easy. In fact, you'll find your way to the treasure house within you while you relax. You trust your own judgment and meet your own special and legitimate needs of those you love and care for, who are special enough to deserve your time. You are independent and self-sufficient. Changes are happening within you. Changes for the better, some now and in your forefront, others will be in your future. As you trust yourself more and more, your subconscious mind will cause these new ideas to be available to you, ideas for your benefit, easily overcoming any obstruction or obstacle. For what the mind can conceive, the mind will achieve. When you are ready, you can count the numbers from 1 to 5 and open your eyes, full of life's new beginnings and knowledge of a new wonderful life to begin.